What's going on? My name's Kevin and welcome to Lighthouse Man TV, where we make detailed product videos to help inform you, our customers, so you get exactly what you're looking for. Today we're answering another question in our series called You Asked, We Answered, where we answer questions presented by our customers. Today we're answering by far our most frequently asked question. This question comes from Larry Fitzpatrick, and he is from Ocean View, Delaware. Larry writes, "Hello, Lighthouse Man. I just received my Lighthouse and it is absolutely amazing and we love it, but I'm having a problem with our revolving beacon. I just installed everything last night and everything seemed to be working great. Then about 10 minutes later, I noticed that it was now spinning in a counterclockwise direction. Then it would shake or wobble a little and spin clockwise. Is this normal or did I get a defective beacon? Please advise." First off, Larry, thanks for your questions, and no, you did not get a defective beacon. And again, you're not alone, as this wobbling beacon question is by far our most frequently asked question. So let's dive in, answers Larry's question, and we're starting right now. First, let me explain how we designed our revolving beacon so you can see what is happening. The motor we use in all of our beacons is a bidirectional motor, meaning at one time you turn it on, it will turn clockwise. The next time you turn it on, it will turn counterclockwise. Now, we do this for one major reason, and that reason is to protect the motor from burning out. So what happens is, if our motor senses any kind of resistance, it will stop and turn in the opposite direction, thus causing a wobbling effect or look. As you can see in the video, I'm representing the obstruction by putting pressure on the light itself. As you can see, the beacon is working exactly how it was designed to work. This way, if dirt or debris is lodged in the gears, it can pass. Or if the gears are not lined up or binding, this will prevent the motor from continuing in the same direction and eventually burning out the motor. Now, this wobbling is only caused by one thing and one thing only, and that is the nylon gears are not properly lined up. That is it, no other reason. Thus, the great news is that these gears not lining up properly is only caused by two possible causes, which both are a super easy adjustment that you can make in seconds. The first cause of the wobbling beacon is usually 98% of the cause, and that is when the beacon itself was attached to the junction box, it was over-tightening, thus causing the plate that the beacon is mounted on to bow or crown, thus binding the gears and causing tension. This plate is just a thin metal plate, and if you over-tighten it to the junction box, the ends of the plate will bend down, causing the middle of the plate to rise up or crown. Thus, the gears will not properly line up and they will bind, causing the wobbling effect. Now, to fix this, just take your Phillips head screwdriver and loosen the two screws that hold the beacon to the junction box. Usually 2 to 3 turns fixes the problem. This is also a great time to apply WD-40 or lithium grease to clean out the nylon gears so your beacon will run smoothly. The second cause is that the large octagon nut on the bottom of the beacon plate needs to be adjusted and tightened. This is usually on beacons that are a few years old and the nylon gears have worn down a little, or the nut has just come loose enough and the gears are no longer meshed tightly together. This can also happen with a brand new beacon due to all the rattling and shaking during shipping and handling. Again, this is a super easy adjustment and can be completed in just a few minutes. First, unplug the beacon and remove it from the junction box. Take out the light bulb and take a pair of needle nose pliers and hold the socket from turning. Now, take a wrench and loosen the large nut on the bottom of the beacon, just enough that you can adjust the beacon head. Now, take the beacon in one hand and gently squeeze it with a little force, re-engaging the gears. While you're doing this, take your other hand and tighten the large nut on the bottom of the beacon, as tight as you can with your hand to keep it in place. Once you did this, then again, take your pliers and wrench and tighten this nut up snug so it holds the beacon shaft and gears in place. This is also a great time to apply the WD-40 or lithium grease to clean out your nylon gears so your beacon will run smoothly. Now, simply attach the beacon to the junction box, again, making sure not to over-tighten it to the junction box, and that's it. You're all done. Well, there you have it. That is our most frequently asked question. Hopefully this video was helpful and answered any questions you had about our wobbling revolving beacon. As always, if you have any questions or need anything, please feel free to call or email us and we will get back with you as soon as possible. If you found this video informative or helpful, then please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Again, we make detailed product videos to help inform you, our customers, so you get exactly what you're looking for. Remember, the Lighthouse Man is the leading manufacturer of custom crafted lawn lighthouses and lighthouse accessories. Thanks again for watching, and God bless.